guys, it's my pleasure to have you back here in this channel, and I'm sure you've got some black pots and black kettles in your home, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna produce vim that we're gonna use to wash those black pots and black kettles in our homes today. So what are you waiting for? Just now come with me and learn something beautiful today. So guys, in this production now, I'm just gonna quickly show you all that we need for this production today. Guys, first thing that you need for this production is 5 liters of water in a container like that, and then you need your spatula. I'm just gonna be fast with this. You need your spatula, and then you need your hypochlorite. That's your hypochlorite. So that is it. I'm gonna give you the measurements as we go on. Actually, I am using 1/8 of this, 1/8 kg of hypochlorite. That's the measurement that I'm gonna use for this production now. 1/8 kg of hypochlorite. So that's it as the number 1 ingredient. And then the number 2 ingredient here is caustic soda. The same quantity, 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg of caustic soda as the second ingredient for this production. And then the third ingredient for this production is soda ash. And I'm also using the same quantity, that is 1/8 of soda ash. And now the last ingredient here is industrial salt. And I also use the same measurement, 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg of industrial salt. So that's the last ingredient you're gonna use for this production right now. And guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open them up, all my first ingredient into the 5 liters of water. So that's my hypochlorite. Hope you can see that very well. So I'll pour it straight to the water. This is the second ingredient, guys, which is caustic soda. So I'm gonna also pour this direct to the water together with the first ingredients. And then the third one, that second one is also 1/8 kg, 1/8 kg. That's the measurement. And the third one here is soda ash. So I'm still gonna pour it direct to the bucket. Now I'm gonna add the last one, which is industrial salt, and I'm also using 1/8 kg for this. So I'm still gonna pour it together with other ingredients there. And I will stir for 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, as you can see, all the 5 ingredients, that's the water and the other chemicals, are all in here. So it has to be well mixed for 5 to 7 minutes. And then it will be covered for 48 hours. After 48 hours, then the production will still continue. But right now, we're just gonna mix it for 7 minutes and leave it to cure for 48 hours. So all the ingredients, the hypochlorite, the caustic soda, soda ash, and industrial salt are all in here. Don't be lazy. Just take your time and give the chemicals a very good mix. So in the next 48 hours, I'll show you the outcome of all this, and then the next thing to do to get your final product. So now it is 48 hours, and that is the outcome of it. I'm sure you can see that nicely. Let me also show you like this. This is what we're gonna get at the end of the day. So this is the vein. So now we're gonna take out this part. We're gonna remove this part. We don't need this part for the vein. And then this is the part we are going to get for the vein. So I'm gonna do that now, and you guys will see how it goes. So guys, I'm still collecting the upper part of it. You can see, you have to be very careful taking that out. You can see that. Then I will see add it to this part here. Keep removing the top part like that till we get to the sediment. So you just have to be very careful so you don't waste your sediment. So guys, this is the sediment. That's the sediment, and there is the vein we've been looking for. That's the vein. That is the vein. See now? So what we'll do with this now, we're gonna dry it. So that's the way it is. So see the way it is tied. See the way it's tied, and then you see the way it comes. So you can see it dripping down there. So just hang it anywhere outside like that, and then it will be dripping dry, and then you have your vein. The final part of my vein production. That's how the vein comes out, though it's still very wet. So when you're producing yours, make sure you leave it to dry under the sun very well, and then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the production, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Also click on that notification bell to get notified when an interesting video like this one is dropped in this channel. Thanks a million, and bye for now.